Hello, how everybody? Today I'd like to discuss about the transfer of civil suit. How transfer of civil suit under section 22, section 23 and section 24 of the Code of Civil Procedure. So let us discuss how and when a civil suit is required to transfer from one court to another court. According to the provision of the Code of Civil Procedure in section 22 is mentioned, but to transfer suit which may be instituted in more than one court. In this section, it has been stated that while a suit may be instituted in any one of two or more courts and is instituted in one of such courts, any defendant at the time of forming issue or before issue, the defendant can make an application for transfer this type of suit from one court to another court with duly served notice to the opposite party. And if the court is satisfied to hear the both, court can allow this petition to transfer the suit from this court to another court. This is the provision of section 2. So in case of transfer of civil suit, an application for transfer of civil suit is under 22 is stated. Section 23. To what court application lies? In that case, where the several courts having jurisdiction are subordinate to the same appellate court, an application under section 22 shall be made to that appellate court. And the option 2 under section 23, but such courts are subordinated to different types of appellate court, the application shall be made to the High Court Division. This is the provision for in which court the applicant is capable to apply for transfer of suit in regards of transfer. Section 24. This is general jurisdiction of transfer of civil court. The power of transfer of civil suit and the withdrawal of civil suit from one court to another court. That means in section 24 it has been stated that general power of transfer and withdrawal. So what is this? The provision is that on the application of any of the parties or after notice to the parties and after hearing such of them as desire to be heard or of its own motion without such notice, the High Court Division and the District Judge may at any stage of suit transfer any suit, appeal or other proceedings pending before it for trial or disposal of any courts subordinate to it and competent to try and dispose the same, or withdraw any suit, appeal or other proceeding pending in court subordinate to it, and try or dispose of the same, or transfer the same for trial or disposal to any court subordinate to it and competent to try or dispose of the same, or transfer the same for trial or disposable to the court from which it is withdrawn. Subsection 2 of section 24. When any suit or proceeding has been transferred or withdrawn under subsection 1, the court which thereafter tries such suit may, subject to any special direction in the case of any order of transfer, either retry it or proceed from the point at which it was transferred and withdrawn. Subsection 3. For the purpose of this section, the court of additional and assistant judge shall be deemed to be the subordinate to the district court. Subsection 4. The court trying any suit transferred or withdrawn under this section from a court of small causes shall, for the purpose of which should be deemed to be court of small causes. Dear learners, this is the provision of transfer of civil suit from one court to another court. So all the provision for transfer of civil suits under section 22 to 24. Thank you so much.